Good morning, folks. It's a nice chilly morning here in Norway, and we're going fishing for a change. Looking forward to it. Need some fish for myself and my friend, and yeah, things are looking good. It's supposed to be clearing up a little bit, and hopefully it's not going to rain all day. So we'll see how it goes. And for now, hope you enjoy. This is the little boat I'll be going on. This is the harbour. The boat I'm fixing, my boat, is behind there. I'll end up having a really good day today. Caught 19 fish in total. Didn't show them all, but yeah, good day. A chilly day today though. Anyway, let's get to it and see how it goes. The equipment I'm using is a Penn Squadron 2 rod and a Penn 560, a Penn Slammer reel. And I use a double trace with basically just two spoons, basically, one above the other. My favorite is this blue one. Looks like a little mackerel. Mostly we just do jigging, but I like to cast my line out and sort of jig and retrieve like that. I don't know, I just feel I cover more distance in a sense, even though I'll be covering a lot of distance in this wind today. Yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'll just wait for it to sink to the bottom. Currently I'm in about 35 meters, it goes up to about 50 meters. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, we've got our first fish. Doesn't feel very big. Well, I'm quite far away. Still got quite a lot to reel. Oh, great. Nice little cod to start. Very lightly hooked in the lip. So, yeah. Nice little cod to start the day. And then basically I've got a priest, and I basically just knock it on the head, and I will also cut the throat. So yeah, let's continue fishing. Yep, got one. Actually quite high in the water column. I'm surprised. Oh, lucky I netted it. That's a little pollock. Pollock has the white stripe and pollock has the black stripe. So, nice little pollock. Oh, that's a big mackerel. That's a nice big mackerel. Yeah, that's a decent sized mackerel. Another nice sized cod, I think. Yeah, that'll do, pig. Yeah, another good cod. Well, for the fjord this is good. Understand, I'm in the fjord, so it's not out at sea. Out at sea I'll probably get bigger ones in deeper water. But for the fjord this is pretty decent size. It seems much bigger, but after that last small one, thinking that was a big one, I don't want to say too much. Oh, I've got a double hookup. Double hookup, that's why. Yes, man. A double hookup. Two fish. There's one and the second one. Oh, it came off. So, two nice cod, double hookup, great sizes. Oh, it'd be nice if this is another double hookup. Oh no, this is a bigger cod, I think. That's a nice cod. That's a nice cod. And he wolfed that lure down. Another great sized cod. Another one. If I don't go and lose it also. Not very big, I don't think. Or it hasn't woken up yet. Oh, that's alright, I think. Oh, here's a right size, that. It's a decent little size. That's a nice fat one. About time I got a decent fat one. Oh, nearly knocked my tea over. See? That's a nice fat one. So it's just so beautiful here. Still fishing. In between, I've basically just come through this little gap here, and in between a whole lot of small islands now. It's just so beautiful. Really, really beautiful. So that's what it looks like on a 360 around me. Oh, another nice one. Cod. Got a cod this time. Oh, come on. Yeah, nice size cod. Lovely. Oh. Got something decent this time. Been a while. Just changed spots. And my third cast here, but this seems really decent. Or it's just badly hooked again. Oh no, that's a nice Lisa, a nice pollock. That is a decent pollock there, that's very decent pollock. Get that out. Yeah, I don't understand what is going on with this wind this morning. But it just means I'm not drifting as fast as I was earlier, because this morning was really crazy. That's why I literally wasted an hour to go home to go get this bag. Oh, yeah, got one. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, this is a very nice one. Better. Another nice cod. Another nice little cod. And what's it got in its mouth? A baby fish.